Good morning, children. So now today we have discussed about the factorization of a polynomials. So already we have discussed second chapter polynomials. The first two topics are completed. This is the third one, factorization of a polynomial. So factorization of a polynomial. So how to do the factorization of a polynomials? So factorization means the given polynomial we have to divide it in the factors. We have divided in the factors. So the factors are called the factorization. So what is the process of factorization? So we have in that factorization of a polynomial in the textbook they given one method, that is splitting middle term. Splitting middle term. So by using the splitting middle term, splitting splitting middle term to find the factors of any polynomial. So this is the important method for splitting the middle term. So what is the process? What is the process of splitting the middle term? Okay. So now first take one example. Take one polynomial. So take now this splitting method is applying for quadratic polynomial and also cubic polynomial. So first we can apply the quadratic polynomial. Now take one quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial means it is a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It is having degree 2. So for example, what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So take one example of quadratic polynomial. For example, I am taking 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So I am taking this quadratic polynomial. Here x variable, quadratic polynomial in one variable x, degree 2. So what is the process? How to split the middle term? What is the factors of this polynomial? Okay. So we have to follow the process. The first step we can follow that. First we can multiply the product of a coefficient of x square. Here what is the coefficient of x square? 2. What is the constant term? 3. So first we can do that, the product of constant into coefficient of x square. So that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So the product of constant into coefficient of x square is 6. So how to do that? 6. That means first write the multiples of 6. So we can write multiples of 6. 1 into 6. So 2 into 3. Again we can repeat 3 into 2. Okay, again 6 into 1. So that means there are two multiples. 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. So take these two multiples. Take these two multiples. So which multiple is select to the factorization by the splitting middle term. So here the process of middle term, splitting the middle term, it is what is the middle term? 7x. Okay, the middle term is in the given polynomial is 7x. So we can add and subtract of these two multiples. These two multiples we can add or subtract. We get the middle term 7. So now take that 1 plus 6 it is 7. It is possible. 2 plus 3 5. It is not possible. Okay, both are multiples. But in that which one is choose that we select the multiple, we get equal to the middle term. So that's why 1 into 6 is the possible. 1 plus 6 is 7. So now I am selecting 1 into 6. So here the second step, the product of two multiples is equal to this number and the sum is equal to the middle term. The sum is equal to the middle term. So at a time both conditions are satisfied. One is product and one is addition. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6. It is product. And 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. It is product. So plus 1 plus 6. Plus 1 plus 6 is plus 7. We get plus 7. So by taking the middle term, what is middle term? 7x. So 7x is divided into two parts. Split means that is divided. Split means divided into two parts. So 7 is divided into 1 and 6. So this is 1x and this is 7x. So this can be written as 2x square plus 1x plus 6x plus 3. Here 7x plus 1x 6x is equal to 7x. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So the splitting middle term divided into again two parts. Here total how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. Before it is the 3 terms. So by taking any two polynomials, by taking any two terms, okay, by taking the common. So first I am taking these two terms, first term, second term. Now you can select first term, second term, third, fourth, or first, third, and second, fourth. Okay, so it is applicable for based on the terms we can common terms. So 2x square plus 1x. In that the common is only x is the common. So what is the remaining? 2x plus 1 plus 6x plus 3. Here common is here variable, no variable is there. Here why? Because here the last term is constant. So that's why 6 and 3. So what are the multiple? 6 is the multiple of 3. 3 into 2. So that's why 3 is common. 3 is the common. How many times? 2 times. 2x plus 3 into 1 time. Now see that what do you observe? What do you observe? You observe that, see that in the bracket term, this one, 2x plus 1, it is must and should be equal. It is must and should be equal. So if it is equal, now we get the, now we select the correct multiples. Suppose this is not equal, this bracket term is not equal, so we have selected wrong multiples. Okay, wrong multiples. If you take correct multiples, we get definitely the bracket term is equal. So again 2x plus 1 is common. In that 2x plus 1 is common, remaining is x. Now here remaining is plus 3. Now here 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Here how many factors are there? 2 factors. Okay, 2 factors means that is this is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial it is degree 2. So therefore how many factors are there? 2 factors. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. These are the factors of this given polynomial. Okay. Again one more example. Y square minus 5y plus 6. Y square minus 5y plus 6. Yes, what is the coefficient of x square? Y square is, it is 1. Okay. What is the first step? The first step is product of coefficient of x square into constant. X square into constant. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So write the factors, same factors of 1 into 6. It is 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. Okay. So 2 are multiples of 6. Now we can select any one. You can select any one. This is 2 into 3, 6. And minus 2 minus 3 is we get minus 5. So that means we take 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 2 into 3. But it is what the middle term? The middle term is minus 5y. Containing minus 5y. So it is minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. So if minus 2, minus 3 is the addition and product is possible for both two conditions. One is product minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. This is product. And addition is minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3 is, so minus 2, minus 3 is minus 5. So this middle term is containing and again divided into two parts. So y square minus 2y minus 3y plus 6. Again selected two terms, first two terms, second two terms. In that the common is y. So y minus 2 it is common. Here minus 3 is common. Y plus into minus it is minus 3 into 6. Now observe that y minus 2. Y minus 2 is the common term. So y minus 2 into y minus 3. So these are the factors of given polynomial. Y minus 2 into y minus 3. Y minus 2 into y minus 3 are the factors of y square minus 5y plus 6. Okay. So this is called the process of splitting middle term by factorization of a polynomial. So by splitting them, by using the splitting middle term to find the factors of any given polynomial. So this process is applicable for cubic polynomial